Today, I'm sharing my honest review of the Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1 Mini Electric Pressure Cooker, the 3-quart version. And after using it regularly, I can confidently say this compact appliance has completely changed how I cook at home. First of all, let's talk about the size. I'm using the 3-quart version, and it's absolutely perfect for small households, couples, or even for making side dishes. It doesn't take up much counter space, yet it's surprisingly powerful. Despite its mini size, it never feels limited. Whether I'm cooking rice, soup, or steaming vegetables, it handles everything effortlessly. What really impressed me is the 7-in-1 functionality. This one appliance works as a pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, steamer, sauté pan, yogurt maker, and food warmer. Instead of cluttering my kitchen with multiple gadgets, I now rely on just this one device. The 11 one-touch smart programs make cooking incredibly easy, even for beginners. I simply press a button and the Instant Pot does the rest. In terms of performance, this Instant Pot truly lives up to its reputation. With 700 watts of power, it cooks food up to 70% faster than traditional slow cooking methods. I've made lentils, chicken curry, rice, and even desserts, and everything turned out perfectly cooked and full of flavor. The pressure cooking function especially saves me a lot of time on busy days. The stainless steel inner pot is another highlight. It's made from 18/8 stainless steel with a tri-ply bottom, which means heat is distributed evenly. I can saute onions, garlic, or meat directly in the pot without worrying about burning. It feels very professional and durable, not cheap at all. Cleanup is also super easy. Both the lid and inner pot are dishwasher safe, which honestly saves so much effort. After cooking, I just remove the parts, rinse them, and either hand wash or put them in the dishwasher. No mess, no stress. One thing I really appreciate is the safety features. The Instant Pot comes with over 10 built-in safety mechanisms, including overheat protection and an easy seal lid lock. This gave me a lot of peace of mind, especially when using pressure cooking for the first time. I never felt unsafe using it. Another nice bonus is the stainless steel steamer rack that comes included. It's perfect for steaming vegetables, dumplings, or even fish. Plus, the free Instant Pot app with over 1,900 recipes is extremely helpful. Whenever I'm out of ideas, I just open the app and find something new to try. Now let's talk about value. The 3-quart model costs $89.99, which I think is very reasonable considering its quality, features, and durability. However, I should mention that shipping and import charges to Bangladesh are extremely high, which may be a downside for some buyers. Still, if you can manage the cost, this product is definitely worth it. Overall, I'm extremely satisfied with the Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1 Mini. It's reliable, versatile, easy to use, and perfect for everyday cooking. With a 4.6 out of 5-star rating from over 181,000 reviews, it's clear that I'm not the only one who loves it. If you're looking for a compact yet powerful kitchen appliance, I highly recommend this Instant Pot.